Mariet torri ar draws Adji, mae'n groesiad tuag at McManus, y dyrniad allan. Jordan Williams o fynd y gam sefyll. McManus yn cam sefyll, mi gafodd Jordan Williams yr ail gynnig yng nghefn y rhwyd. McManus o'r symudiad gwreiddiol yn cam sefyll. Edge. Yn chwilio am Thomas, Astles. Yn pas mor o'r rama. Roberts wedi'r camgymeriad. O mae'n gwneud i fyny. O gyda'r bediad wych i nadu Liam Thomas o'i Derwyddon Cefn ar y blaen. Oedd hwnna'n cyfleu rhaid i fanteisio ar camgymeriad erchyll gan Roberts. Tuag at y postyn pella tro yma, tuag at Astles, y bened ar draws y gol Chiselwich, mae'n disgyn i brobl o'r bediad o didog gan Mike Jones. Oedd hwnna drwy glwstwr y chwaraewyr a rywsyd neu gilydd. I gafodd ei gorff tu cefn i'r bêl. Mariet yn torri mewn ar draws y cae. Allan â hi i brobl. Cisio mynd i Beitain, groesiad i mewn tuag at McManus ar bol beniad. Pw arall. Yr Seintiau Newydd ar y blaen. Oedd y gyflymder yn y groesiad gan brobl. Dim ond cael ei goryn iddi oedd angen ar McManus. Evans ar gig gornel tuag at y gol. Mae'n dod mewn ar y postyn pella. Mi darodd i'r postyn a mae Owen Evans wedi unioni'r sgôr i'r amser cael ei ganiatáu ar ddiwedd yr hanner cyntaf. Ei gol gyntaf o yn uwch gyngrau'r Cymru. Chwip o gig gornel, twyllo pawb. Mariet yn gadael i brobl sy'n chwipio mewn tuag at y postyn agosa a McManus. Ydi Bale di croesi'r llinell na, di ddim yn y gyfle i Astles. Mae'n cael ei chlirio Chiselwich oddi ar y llinell gan Adji Mang. A wedyn Evans allan â hi, McManus yn coelio bod hwnna heb groesi'r llinell. Mae'r pwysau dal yna. Astles ar y postyn pella, Hudson. Dy'n cam sefyll, McManus na di. Chodi fyny tuag at y gol. Mae'n cael ei chlirio gan Torres y tro yma. Mae ton ar ôl ton y bwysau'n dod gan y Seintiau Newydd. A nath ergyd McManus groesi'r llinell. Clark yn lledu'r chwarae i Mariet. Mae brobl o'i flaen, derbyn y bêl dan bwysau gan Flint, y groesiad dod i mewn tuag at Hudson. Mae'n disgyn i Jordan Williams, Williams ar ergyd! Yr o'r Seintiau Newydd yn ôl ar y blaen. Degfed gol o'r tymor i Williams. I drydedd yn erbyn y Derwyddon. 4 munud ar 20 o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Ac oedd hi'n dod, rhaid deud. Mariet a brobl yn sefyll dros di, brobl Chyrmani tuag at Hudson ar y postyn pella. A mae Blaine Hudson wedi ymestyn mantais y Seintiau Newydd. Brobl ar ansawdd unwaith eto. 2 munud ar 15 o'r 90 yn weddill. Derwyddon Cefn 1, y Seintiau Newydd 2. 5 munud o'r 90 yn weddill. Brobl yn ei chodi i gornel eich ar hwy. Dim gobaith i Jones y golwr. 6 gol o'r tymor iddo fo. Edge, o'n hwyr ar Ben Clark. A Charlie Edge, di gol dyn Cerdyn Melyn. Mae'n mynd i gael un arall. Gyda 3 munud o'r 90 yn weddill. Mae Derwyddon Cefn i lawr i 10-1. Anthony, another 3 points takes you, what, 21 points clear at the top?
Yeah, I mean, I think probably in the 2 games it hasn't really told the story. I think huge credit to the opposition. Druids were tough to break down. They went to the end. I'm probably repeating myself from the interview in the last game. I thought they were fantastic, and the scoreline doesn't say how hard a game it was tonight, and it didn't in the home game either. So I think huge credit to them. But we found a way tonight with a little bit of quality, I think, and some good work rate and being patient and calm in the game, which was really important.
I thought we were good in a lot of it, but disappointing in some of it.
You kept them at bay for long periods at the time, and right at the end of the first half, you scored your first Welsh Premier League goal.
Yeah, obviously it was a great experience. Definitely meant to do that, but yeah, it was just a great experience. I enjoyed it, and obviously gutted we couldn't keep it to 1-0 or nick one in the second half, but yeah, loved it.
Next week, the Welsh Cup.
Yeah, really looking forward to that. A cup where I think we're the holders, obviously without being the last couple of years playing due to COVID, and it's a cup we take seriously, and it's going to be a good game at our home ground. Hopefully get a few people there would be nice. And yeah, we're looking forward to that one and go as far as we can in that competition.
We're going to have a right go. We've got 11 games to have a right go. You've got nothing to lose. Everybody's writing us off. Got nothing to lose. Every one of them players in there wants to have a go, to right a few wrongs and do well for themselves as well as the club. Because all them players in there want to play for the club, and you could see that. And I want to go into second phase. The last game is phase 1, and the second phase, 11 games, to pick up as many points as we can. Because I think we've actually got a group of players that can do that. But the proof's in the pudding, isn't it?